Hi students, good morning. If tan of 35 degrees plus cot 37 degrees plus tan of 325 degrees is equal to x into tan of 53 degrees plus tan of 127 degrees, then x equal to see the options are 1, 2, 4, minus 1. So these are options. So this is the tan of 35 degrees plus this is cot of 90 degrees minus 53 degrees. 90 minus 53 is 37 degrees plus this is the tan of 360 degrees minus this is 35 degrees. 360 minus 35, 325 degrees is equal to, so this is x into tan of 53 degrees plus this is the tan of 180 degrees minus this is 53. 180 minus 53, so which is equal to 127 degrees. So this is the tan of 35 degrees. Cot of 90 minus theta. Cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cot of 90 minus theta, first quadrant. So this is tan. So this is a plus tan 53 degrees. Tan of 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, tan is negative. So this is minus tan 35 degrees is equal to x tan 53 degrees. Tan 180 minus means what? Second quadrant, tan is negative. So this is minus tan 53 degrees. Okay, so these two gets cancelled. Now you take this side. So this is tan 53 degrees plus tan 53 degrees is equal to x into tan of 53 degrees. Therefore, this is a 2 tan 53 degrees is equal to x tan 53 degrees. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore, 2 is equal to x. Okay, x value is 2. X is 2. 2 is the answer. Next question. If x is equal to y into cos of 2 pi by 3 is equal to z into cos of 4 pi by 3, then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to, options are given 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Now x is equal to x y into cos of pi by 3 means pi by 180 by 3, 60 degrees into 2. So this is 120 degrees. Z into cos of this is 240 degrees. Now cos 120 value, cos of 120 is cos of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. That equal to minus sin 30 degrees. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Cos is negative. So minus sin 30 degrees. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. And this is cos of 240 degrees. Cos of 240 degrees equal to cos of 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. That equal to 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Cos is negative. So this is minus cos 60 degrees. That equal to minus 1 by 2. So that is minus 1 by 2. X is equal to y into minus 1 by 2. Z into minus 1 by 2. So x equal to minus y by 2 equal to z by minus z by 2. The value equal to, you say that constant, some constant k. So each one equating to this constant k. So x is equal to 2k, and equating these two, y is equal to minus 2k, z equal to minus 2k, equating to this and equating to this. Now we have xy plus yz plus zx. We have xy plus yz plus zx equal to xy, x into y. So this is 2k into minus 2k plus yz. Yz is, so this is only k, not 2k. So this is k because x equal to k only. So yz is these two. That is what? So this is minus 2k into minus 2k plus zx, z into x, that is minus 2k into k. So this is equal to minus 2k square minus of minus 4k square minus 2k square. So this is minus 4k square plus 4k square. So 0. So the value is 0. So first option is the answer. Next one. If sine power, the value of sine power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1, 2, 1 by 2, 0. Options. So this is sine power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta. 1 by cosecant theta is sin theta. So this is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So this is sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into this is cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So this is sin square theta whole square plus 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. That is equal to a plus b whole square. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. That is equal to 1 square, which is 1. Next one, the ratio between ratio between 1 plus cos theta by sin square theta and 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square is ratio 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 1 is to 3. Ratio between these. Let this is A. Call it A, and this is treated as B. This is B. Now we have to find the ratio A is to B. Ratio A is to B. Now I am taking the calculating B is equal to 1 plus, this is 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. A by B whole square means A square by B square. A square by B square. This is equal to, by taking LCM, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. This is equal to sin square theta plus, so this is A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2 into 1 into cos theta by, so this is sin square theta. Now this is a sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus this is 1 plus 2 cos theta by, so this is a sin square theta. That is equal to 2 plus 2 cos theta by sin square theta. If you take 2 is taken common, 1 plus cos theta by sin square theta by sin square theta. So this is B equal to. Now A is to B is equal to what? A is to B, where A is 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta by sin square theta, and B is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 2 into 1 plus cos theta by sin square theta. So this and this gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 is to 2. So A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. Next one, if cos power 4x by cos square y plus sin power 4x by sin square y equal to 1, then cos power 4y by cos square x plus sin power 4y by sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 options. So we know that here, since cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. Suppose if y is equal to x, then this becomes what? Then cos power 4x by, in place of y, write x. So this is cos square x plus sin power 4x by, so this is sin square x. So cos square gets cancelled. So this is cos square x plus sin square, one sin square cancel, sin power sin square x, that equal to what? 1, that is RHS. So if y equal to x, this LHS equal to RHS. Same, there also put y equal to x. Then this becomes what? Cos power 4x by cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x. So this is cos square x plus this is sin square x, that equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Next one, if 2 power sin square x plus sin power 4x plus sin power 6x and so on up to infinity is equal to 8, where 0 less than x less than pi by 2. That means what? X is in first quadrant. Then cos x by cos x plus sin x is equal to, first option, root 3 minus 1 by 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, and this is root 3 minus 1. So these are options. Okay. So just to try this problem. So we know the geometric sequence, geometric progression equal to what? A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on. So A into R power n minus 1 plus and so on. This is geometric progression. What about Sn is equal to sum of first n terms, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Sn. And what about S infinity equal to sum to infinity terms, A by 1 minus R, where the condition mod R is less than 1. If the common ratio less than 1, so S infinity formula A by 1 minus R. A is first term, R is the common ratio. Now the series is 2 power. So this is a sin square x plus sin square x whole square plus a sin square x whole cube plus and so on. So this is just like what? What is the common ratio? Second term by first term. Sin power 4x by sin square x, which is sin square x. Sin power 6x by sin power 4x, which is sin square x. So these are in GP with common ratio. So, okay, A is equal to what? First term, sin square x, and R is common ratio. R, second term by first term, that is also sin square x. Now what is S infinity form? A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. And clearly this is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Means, so the value is less than 1 always. This is less than 1 because sin pi by 2 is what? 1. So which is less than pi by 2 means what? Pi by 2. So the value lies between 0 to 1 only. So that is 2 power S infinity A by A is first term sin square x by 1 minus R. R is sin square x is equal to what? This is given 8 can be written as 2 cube. That is equal to 2 cube. That is 8. Given this is 8, you can write 2 cube. So this is equal to 2 power sin square x by this is cos square x is equal to 2 cube. That is equal to, this is 2 power tan square x is equal to 2 cube. Therefore bases are equal, equating the powers. Tan square x equal to 3. So tan x equal to root 3. Plus or minus root 3 actually, but it is given first quadrant. Therefore tan is positive in first quadrant. So that's why I am taking the plus sign. Okay, tan x equal to root 3 means what? Tan x is equal to, or root 3 can be written as tan 60 degrees. Therefore x equal to 60 degrees. So we have to calculate cos x by cos x plus sin x, where x equal to what? Put 60 degrees, then you get the answer. Now we have to find cos x by, therefore x equal to what? 60 degrees. Now we have to find cos x by cos x plus sin x. That is cos 60 by cos 60 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 by root 3 plus 1. By rationalizing root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. So this is equal to root 3 minus 1 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That is root 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. That is root 3 minus 1 by 2. So I think it is the given first option is the answer. The next problem. If cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1, then the value of sin power 12x plus 3 into sin power 10x plus 3 into sin power 8x plus sin power 6x plus 1 is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4. These are options. Given cos x plus cos square x equal to 1. From this, cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, that is equal to sin square x. So that implies cos x is equal to sin square x. Now this given expression sin power 12x plus 3 into sin power 10x 3 into sin power 8x plus sin power 6x plus 1. Now this can be written as, this is a sin square x whole power 6. Sin square x whole power 6. 3 into sin square x whole power 5 plus 3 into sin square x whole power 4 plus this is sin square x whole cube plus 1. Okay, where sin square x equal to cos x. So this is cos power 6x plus this is 3 cos power 5x. 3, this is cos x whole power 4. This is cos x, cos cube x plus 1. So in this one you have to take cos cube x is taking common. Cos cube x common. So this is cos cube x plus 3 cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So we have, what is x plus 1 whole cube formula? X plus 1 whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square, b is 1, 3ab square, 3ab square plus b cube. A cube, 3a square, b is 1, 3ab square, 1 square plus b cube. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 whole cube. So this is just like what the whole thing is. So this is cos cube x into, this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube form, which is cos x plus 1 whole cube. Cos x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, plus 1 you can write as this. Okay, which is cos x plus 1 whole cube. So this you write this is equal to, so this is cos cube x into cos x plus 1 whole cube plus 1. Okay, now this is a cube, b cube can be written as ab whole cube. A cube, b cube equal to ab whole cube. Now this cos cube x and this is 1 plus cos x whole cube can be written as, this is cos x into cos x plus 1 whole cube plus 1. Plus 1 means what? This is plus 1. So if you are multiplying these two, cos square x plus cos x whole cube plus 1. Okay, now cos square x plus cos x equal again 1. This is 1. It is 1. Therefore 1 cube plus 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2 is the answer. Next one, Next one, if root of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A is equal to secant A plus tan A, then A belongs to first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant. A belongs to means A lies in which quadrant? A lies in which quadrant? This is root of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A into multiplying dividing by 1 plus sine A by 1 plus sine A. So this is root of 1 plus sine A whole square by 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. So this is equal to what? Root of 1 plus sine A whole square by square root of by this is cos square A. So already I told in the very beginning classes regarding mod x, root of x square equal to mod x. This is very important in the algebraic identities. We discussed this point, and also we have done more number of problems on this in initial classes. Once you go through your notes or just you go through the starting videos, where mod x equal to plus x if x greater than 0, minus x less than 0, and 0 at x equal to 0. Okay, na? Root of x square is mod x. Now this is equal to what? Mod of 1 plus sine A by, so root of x square by this is mod A. So 1 plus sine A. Okay, mod of 1 plus sine A. The maximum value of sine is what? 1, minimum value is 1 plus sine A is always greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because we can't get negative. Sin x equal to sine A is minus 2, not possible. If it is 1 minus 2, you have a negative value, minus 2. But what the range of sine function? Minus 1 to 1. So this is always positive. So no need to put mod. So that is equal to what? 1 plus sine A by mod of cos A. That equal to 1 plus sine A by mod cos A. If A lies in either in first quadrant or fourth quadrant, cos A is positive. If A lies in second quadrant or third quadrant, cos A is negative. But it is given what? Plus. This is plus. So cos A if A belongs to either Q1 or Q4, either first quadrant or fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So that is equal to 1 by cos A plus this is sin A by cos A. That is equal to this is secant A. 1 by cos is secant A. Sin by cos is tan A. Tan A. That means what? What is the answer? Either in first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Mod of cos A. Cos is positive. Means if A is in first quadrant or fourth quadrant, mod cos A is plus cos A. If A is in second quadrant or third quadrant cos is negative, then you can put minus cos, but answer is given what? Secant A plus tan A. Therefore, when it is possible, if cos A is positive, it is possible. So okay, when it is possible, if A lies in either first quadrant or fourth quadrant, it is possible. Okay, just once you have to go through mod x function, mod x less than or equal to A, mod x greater than or equal to A, then what is x belongs to what? So these are the points in the previous classes or once you go through your notes. Okay, just okay, thank you.